So we had an offer on Amazon like for the Bose speakers and we ordered it. Let's check. I ordered it yesterday and I got it today. Waiting for this. Woo, man, that's so cool. That's so awesome. Waiting for this since a very long time, guys. Being practical, I have an iPhone XS, so I bought AirPods. But like, I always wanted Bose. Like, Bose is love for me. So I bought Bose as this MRP is around 19 or 20,000. But as I saw, there's an offer going on Amazon that said you were getting it just for 13k. So yeah, 19k. Yeah, I was right. 19,000 is the MRP. I got it for around 13,000. So I didn't even want to wait. Like, Bose never gives discounts. Like, it's never ever. As soon as I saw it was an offer, I like went ahead and bought it. Cool, guys, I ripped it off. It was finally. That's the outer cover. This is the box. And yeah, Bose. This manual says a bit about the functionality of the headphones. Cool. This is a padding, kind of padding. It's made up of cushioned rubber. Then comes the case with the headphones, if I'm not wrong, and a manual of the SoundLink. It says SoundLink around your wireless headphones too. I have a multilingual manuals. I'm keeping it aside. That's it in the box. Let's open the boy. Guys, trust me, the premiumness of Bose is Bose, man. Like, seriously, it feels so good. The Bose on the zipper. Bose here. That's it. This is like pure leather, and this is like a clothish. Man, trust me, it's so amazing. This is totally velvetish, and there's a pocket here where we have the 3.5mm jack if required with the Bose branding on it. Cool. And these are the charging. These have a 15 hours backup for charging, and these are Bluetooth, so I don't need them unless and until it is really required. These are the, that's it. These are like premium quality, guys. Nothing can replace them. Man, the texture on them, the leather. Like, seriously, Bose is Bose. And output, I'm sure they'll be amazing. That's it with the unboxing of Bose. Things are in front of you. If you guys want to buy it, I'll provide a buy link in the description. It's from Amazon. It's a best product, guys. Just go ahead and buy it. See you soon. Bye.